How to start selling on Alibaba.com app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell with Alibaba.com. So first thing, go to Alibaba. Now this is the homepage as you can see right here. All what you have to do to start selling on this website or this app is go down here to my Alibaba option. Now right here, go down and search for how to sell on Alibaba. Click on this option and here you will be able to chat with consultant so you can find how to start. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.